Texas Governor Greg Abbott has announced that over 100 regulations will be eliminated to make it easier for relatives to act as foster parents for children in care. Governor Abbott, in partnership with the Texas Health and Human Services Commission, aims to increase opportunities for foster family members and streamline regulations. The removal of burdensome rules will allow children to stay with their families through kinship foster care, providing them with a better path forward. A total of 195 administrative requirements have been removed in Texas as a result of a law signed by Abbott 2 years ago. The state continues to prioritize children in need by removing bureaucratic red tape to keep them with their families. Governor Abbott's efforts aim to support kinship foster families and provide children with loving homes.